Hi students, today we are going to learn remainder theorem. In remainder theorem, if a polynomial p of x of degree greater than or equal to 1, it must be greater than or equal to 1 when it is divided by a linear polynomial, that is x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. When a is any real number, okay? Already we have learned in 3.2 exercise. And we have three steps. First one is p of x is divided by x plus a. Considering x plus a, then the remainder will be plus a. While it moves to the right side, it goes as minus a. So p of minus a. And number 2, p of x is divided by ax minus b. Here we have ax minus b. Then the remainder is p of b by a. That is nothing but ax minus b is equal to 0. Okay. Now ax, keeping ax on the left side, minus b, while it moves to the right side, it goes as plus. And the next step, x is equal to b. Multiplication, when it comes in, goes for division. So x is equal to b by a. Okay. And in third, if p of x is divided by ax plus b, it is plus b. So then the remainder will be p of minus b by a. Okay. As we did now, same, ax plus b is equal to 0 and ax plus b is equal to minus b. And in the next step is equal to minus b. A goes for division. So x is equal to minus b by a. Okay. And then factor theorem. If p of x is a polynomial of degree, n must be greater than 1 and a is a real number, then we have two steps. One is p of a is equal to 0, implies that x minus a. Here p of a is plus, so it implies that x minus a is a factor of p of x. Okay. And then second, x minus a is a factor of p of x. X minus a is a factor of p of x, implies as p of a is equal to 0. Okay. When it is minus a, goes as p of plus a is equal to 0. Now let us move on to exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Check whether p of x is a multiple of g of x or not. So here, sub-question 1, p of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 4x minus 3 and g of x is equal to x minus 2. Here, taking g of x is equal to x minus 2. So p of x must be equal to 0. So consider x minus 2, while it goes to right side, it becomes plus 2. So x is equal to 2. Okay. Now taking p of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 4x minus 3. Okay, x cube. So apply value of x is equal to 2. Okay, 2 to the power of cube minus 5, in the place of x apply 2 square plus 4 x2 minus 3. So here take the value of x is equal to 2. Now 2 to the power of 3, right? 2, 3 times 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And then minus 5, 2 to the power of 2. So write 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 4 2s are 8 minus 3. Okay, 8. 5 4s are 20 plus 8 minus 3. Okay, now add all the positive and the negative. So 8 plus 8, that is 16. And minus 20 minus 3, minus 23. So plus, both signs are different, so subtract. Okay, 13 minus 6 is 7. 23 is greater, so minus 7. P of 2 is equal to minus 7. So in question we are asked us to find, check whether p of x is a multiple of g of x or not. If it is a multiple of it must be p of 2 is equal, must be equal to 0. But here we have p of 2 is equal to minus 7. So therefore p of x P of x is not a multiple of g of x. Okay, if it is 0, we must write as P of x is a multiple of g of x. Here we have minus 7. So it is not a multiple of g of x. Question number 2. By remainder theorem, find the remainder when P of x is divided by g of x. When subquestion 1, P of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 1. Okay. Now take P of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 4x plus minus 1. Okay. And now here it is given as g of x is equal to x minus 1. X plus 1. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 and take x is equal to plus 1 while it comes to right side it become minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now in the place of x apply minus 1. So x cube minus 1 cube minus 2 minus 1 square minus 4x. So minus 1 minus 1. Okay. 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Okay. So 1 ones are 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So write minus 1. Okay. Then minus 2 here minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. So write 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1. Now in the next step minus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus into minus 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 into minus plus 1 fours are 4 minus 1. Okay. And here same sign add 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 1 4. So minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore P of minus 1 is equal to 0. So by remainder theorem find the remainder when P of x is divided by g of x. So therefore the remainder is 0. Okay. Subquestion 2, P of x is equal to 4x cube minus 12x square plus 14x minus 3 and g of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, now P of x is equal to 4x cube minus 12x square plus 14x minus 3. Okay, now consider g of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now take 2x minus 1 while it moves here to the right side it becomes plus 1 and here 2 into x. So 2 goes for division. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now in the place of x apply 1 by 2 is equal to 4 1 by 2 cube minus 12 1 by 2 square plus 14 1 by 2 minus 3. Okay, and the next step 4 1 by 2 you have to multiply 3 times. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, so now 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 by 8. Okay, minus 12. So 1 by 2, 2 times. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is 1 into 1, 1. 2 2s are 4. Plus, here you can see 2 1s are and 2 7s are. So write 7 plus 7 minus 3. Okay, now here 4 1s are, 4 2s are. So in the next step write 2 and here 4 1s are, 4 3s are. Okay, minus 3 into 1 3 plus 7 1 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now 1 minus 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 4 3s are 12, divided by 2 common. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Now the next step, 1 minus, add all the plus values, 1 plus 14 is 15. Okay, 15 plus 15 and same sign add, minus minus, so minus 12. So 15 minus 12 is 3. Here 15 is plus, so it is plus 3. Plus 3 by 2. Okay, so P of 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore 3 by 2 is the remainder of, okay, 3 by 2 is the remainder of P of 1 by 2. Okay. Question number 3. Here P of x is equal to x minus x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 50 and g of x is equal to x minus 3. So now take P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 50. Okay, and take g of x is equal to x minus 3. So now take x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3 as plus 3. Okay. And now P of x is 3 is equal to x cube. So 3 cube minus 3x square. So write 3 cube. Here 3 square plus 4. In the place of x, apply 3 plus 50. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 3. 3 2 times, so 3 into 3, 9. Plus 4 3s are 12 plus 50. Okay, now 27 minus 9 3s are 27 plus 12 plus 50. So plus 27 minus 27 0. Okay, 12 plus 50 is 62. So P of 3 is equal to 62. So therefore the remainder is 62. Question number 3. Find the remainder when 3x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 5 is divided by x plus 3. Okay, now same what we did in question number 2. So take P of x is equal to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 5. And it is given as when divided by x plus 3. Okay, so when divided by x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 3. When it comes here it becomes minus 3. Now consider x is equal to minus 3. So P of x is equal to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 5. Okay, now P of x is minus 3 is equal to 3. In the place of x, apply minus 3 cube minus 4 minus 3 square plus 7. In the place of x, apply minus 3 minus 5. Okay, now 3 minus 3 to the power of 3. So minus 3 you have to multiply 3 times. Minus 3 into minus 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Okay, minus 27. And then 4 minus 3 to the power of 2. Minus 3 into minus 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus plus. So 9 plus into minus minus. 7 3s are 21 minus 5. Okay, now multiply 7 3s are 21 remaining 2 3 2s are 6 7 8. Okay, plus into minus minus, and then 9 4s are 36 minus 21 minus 5. Now you can see all the values are negative, so add all. That is minus 81 minus 36 minus 21 and minus 5. Okay, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 1 13. So again here 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 1 14. Okay, now minus 143. Okay, so P of minus 3 is equal to minus 43. Find the remainder. So therefore the remainder is minus 143 when it is divided by x plus 3. Question number 4. What is the remainder when x to the power of 2018 plus 2018 is divided by x minus 1? So now it is given as x to the power of 2018 plus, here we have 2018 as a whole number. Okay, now consider this as p of x is equal to x to the power of 2018 plus 2018 when it is divided by x minus 1. When it is divided by x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. When it comes here, it becomes plus 1. So x is equal to plus 1. Okay, now take p of x, in the place of x apply 1 is equal to 1 to the power of 2018 plus 2018. Okay, so as you know, number of times even if you multiply with 1, okay, as many times you multiply with 1, you will be getting only 1. So 1, if you multiply 2018 times, again you will be getting only 1 plus 2018. Here 1 is the whole number, so 2018 plus 1 is 2019. Okay, so p of x, that is p of 1 is equal to 2019. Therefore the remainder is 2019. Question number 5. For what value of k is a polynomial p of x is equal to 2x cube minus kx square plus 3x plus 10 exactly divisible by x minus 2. So when it is exactly divisible by x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, when it comes to the right side it becomes plus 2. So now the polynomial of p of 2 is equal to 0. Now write this polynomial 2x to the power of cube minus k x square plus 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now 2 to the power of x, apply 2 cube minus k, in the place of x apply 2 square plus 3, here again 2 plus 10 is equal to 0, and then 2 to the power of 3, so 2 into 2 4 2s are 8 minus k 2 into 2 to the power of 2 2s are 4 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now 2 8s are 16 minus 4 into k 4k plus 6 plus 10 16 is equal to 0. Now here we have plus 16 plus 16. So 16 plus 16 32 minus 4k is equal to 0. Okay, now minus 4k is equal to plus 32. When it comes here it becomes minus 32. Now cancel, minus minus cancel, k is equal to 32. 4 goes for division. So 4 ones are 4 eights are. Therefore k is equal to 8. So we are asked to find the value of k. K is equal to 8. Question number 6. If two polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 4x minus 12 and x cube plus x square minus 2x plus a leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 3. Find the value of a, also find the remainder. Okay, now taking p of x is equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus 4x minus 12. Okay, now p of x is equal to, it is given as x minus 3. So x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. While it goes here it is plus 3. So x is equal to 3. Now 2. Okay, 2 in the place of x apply 3 cube plus a x, so 3 square plus 4 x, so 3 minus 12. Okay, 2, 3 into 3, 9, 9 3s are 27 plus a 3 square, that is 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 12. Okay, now and then 7 2s are 14, 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, plus a into 9, 9a plus and minus 12, plus 12 minus 12, 0. Okay, now taking this as equation number 1. And now already we have taken p of x. Now let us consider second polynomial as q of x or f of x or s of x. Any variable you can consider. So q of x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 2x plus x plus a, and now q of 3. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. So take 3 is equal to, in the place of x apply 3 cube plus 3 square minus 2 3 plus a. Okay, now 3 into 3, 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 3 2s are 6 plus a. Okay, now and here 27 plus 9. So otherwise you subtract like this, 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3 plus 27, 30. 30 plus a. Taking this as equation number 2. Now as it is given in the question that the two polynomials leave the same remainder. Okay. So when it leaves the same remainder, considering p of x is equal to q of x. Both are same. Okay, now right, first equation is equal to second equation. So 54 plus 9a is equal to 30 plus a. Now add 54. Now take plus 30 to the left side. So plus 30 will become minus 30 is equal to a, and plus 9 while it goes here to the right side it becomes minus 9a. Now 54 minus 30. 54 minus 30 is 4 is 24. So 24 is equal to 1a minus 9a, that is 8a. Here 9 is greater, so minus 8a. Okay, now have 24. Here 8 into a is a multiplication, while 8 comes to the left side it goes for division. So minus a. 8 ones are 8 threes are. Therefore a is equal to minus a is equal to 3. So therefore a is equal to minus 3. We are asked to find the value of a, also find the value of remainder. So now apply in any one of the equation, first equation or second equation, the value of a is minus 3. So now I am taking equation number 1. So equation 1 is 54 plus 9a. 54 plus 9a. Okay, now 54 plus 9a. Value of a is minus 3. polynomial x cube plus 5x square minus 10x plus 4. And it is given as x minus 1. You have to determine x minus 1 is a factor or not a factor. So x is equal to minus 1. When it comes here, it becomes plus 1. So x is equal to 1. P of 1 is equal to x cube plus 5x square. So 1 square minus 10, 1 plus 4. So 1 into 1 into 1, 1 plus 5. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 10 ones are 10 plus 4. So 1 plus 5 ones are 5 minus 10 plus 4. Okay. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 10. Plus 10 minus 10, 0. So if the P of 1 is equal to 0. If it is 0, we have to write that we are asked us to determine whether x minus 1 is a factor. If it is 0, we have to write x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. Okay. And question number 2. X to the power of 4 plus 5x square minus 5x plus 1. Now take as polynomial P of x to the power of 4 plus 5x square minus 5x plus 1. Okay, now here we have taken x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 1. Apply x is equal to 1 and x to the power of 4 plus 5 x to the power of 2. So 1 square minus 5 within bracket 1 plus 1. So 1 into 1 into 1, 1 plus 5, 1 into 1, 1 minus 5 ones are 5 plus 1. So 1 plus 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1. Okay, now here you can see plus 5 minus 5 is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So P of 1 is equal to 2. It is not equal to 0. So therefore x minus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor of the polynomial. Question number 8. Using factor theorem, show that x minus 5 is a factor of the polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square minus 28x plus 15. So now take polynomial as P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 28x plus 15. Okay, now P of x. So it is given that x minus 5 is a factor or not. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5. When it goes here, it becomes plus 5. So x is equal to 5. So P of 5 is equal to 2 within bracket 5 cube minus 5. In the place of x, apply 5. Square minus 28x. So 5 plus 15. 2, 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5. 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25, remaining 2. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So 125. Minus 5. 5 into 5, 25. Minus 8 5s are 40. Remaining 4. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Plus 15. Now multiply. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 1 2s are 2, minus 5 5s are 25, remaining 2, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, minus 140 plus 15. Now add all the plus and minus. So 215, 250 plus 15, 265, 125 minus 140. So minus 125 minus 140. is equal to 0. So P of 5 is equal to 0, and we are asked us to find using factor theorem. You have to show that whether x minus 5 is a factor of the polynomial. If it is equal to 0, write as P of x, that is P of 5 is a factor of the polynomial. Question number 9. Determine the value of m if x plus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 3x square minus mx plus 24. Now, let P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus mx plus 24, and it is given as x plus 3 is a factor. If it is a factor, it is equal to 0. So x plus 3 is equal to x is equal to minus 3. Okay, now x cube minus 3x square minus mx plus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, now right in the place of x apply minus 3. So minus 3 cube minus 3 square minus m. X is minus 3 plus 24 is equal to 0. 3 into 3, 9, 9 3s are 27, plus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Okay, now minus 3 and within bracket 3 into 3, 9. Okay, now minus into minus plus m into 3, 3m plus 24 is equal to 0. Minus 27 and 9 3s are minus 20, 9 3s are 27, plus into minus 27 plus 3m plus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, now in the next step, minus 27 minus 54. Add both, so 27 plus 27, 54, same sign minus, plus that 3m plus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, in the next step, write 54 minus 54 plus 24. So 54 minus 24 is 30. 54 is greater, so minus 30 plus 3m is equal to 0. And have 3m in the left side and take minus 30. While it goes to right side, it becomes plus 30. Okay, now m is equal to 30. 3 into m. 3 goes for division. So therefore, m is equal to 3 ones are 3 tens are. M is equal to 10. So determine the value of m. M is equal to 10. Question number 10. If both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors ax square plus 5x plus b, then show that a is equal to b. So now consider x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. While it goes to right side, it becomes plus 2. So x is equal to 2. So now take p of x is equal to ax square plus 5x plus b. Okay, in the place of x, apply 2. A 2 square plus 5x, that is 2 plus b. Okay, now a into 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 2s are 10 plus b. 4 into a, 4a plus 10 plus b. Okay, now take plus 10 to the left side, that is it will become minus 10. Minus 10 is equal to 4a plus b. Therefore, we can rewrite the equation as 4a plus b is equal to minus 10. Taking this as equation number 1. Okay, now let us go with when x is equal to x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to plus minus 1 by 2 will become plus 1 by 2. Okay, now take the polynomial p of x is equal to a x square plus 5x plus b. Okay, p of x, so in the place of x, write as 1 x 1 by 2 square plus 5x 1 by 2 plus b. Okay. Now write a 1 into 1 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5s are 5 by 2 plus b. Okay. Now again a into 1 a by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus b. Now take minus 5 plus 5 by 2 to the left side, so that it will become minus 5 by 2 is equal to a by 4 plus b. Okay, now take LCM. So 4 is the LCM. Here 1 multiplied with 4 to the numerator as well as denominator, and same as well as here 2 into 2 4. Okay, so 5 2s are 10 is equal to a plus 4 into b 4b. Okay, therefore we take a plus 4b is equal to minus 10. Equation number 2. Okay, now the first equation 4a plus b is equal to minus 10. Well, minus 10, and here we have minus 10. If 1 minus 10 goes to the other side, it will become plus 10. Plus 10 minus 10 cancel. So let us consider equation number 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So 4a plus b, leaving minus 10, 4a plus b, and here a plus 4b is equal to minus 10. Both are equal, so we can leave minus 10, a plus 4b. Okay, first and second equation. Now 4a and take plus a while it comes to the left side, it becomes minus a, and 4b while b plus b goes to the right side, it becomes minus b. 4a minus a is 3a, and 4b minus b is 3b. 3 cancel, therefore a is equal to b. Okay, and we are asked us to show that a is equal to b. So a is equal to b. Question number 11. If x minus 1 divides the polynomial kx cube minus 2x square plus 25x minus 26 without remainder, so it is equal to 0, then find the value of k. So now take x minus 1 is equal to 0 when it is divided by x minus 1. So let x minus 1, it is x is equal to 1. Now in polynomial k x cube minus 2x square plus 25x minus 26 is equal to p of x. Okay, so it is given as without remainder, so it is equal to 0. Okay, now k in the place of x apply 1 cube minus 2 1 square plus 25 1 minus 26. So k 1 into 1 into 1 1 minus 2 1 into 1 1 plus 25 ones are 25 minus 26 is equal to 0. And 1 into k minus 1 2s are 2 plus 25 minus 26 is equal to 0. And now same sign. So k minus 2 and minus 26 minus 28, same sign, and plus 25 is equal to 0. So different sign, 28 plus 25 is 3. So 28 minus 25 is 3, minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore k, and take minus 3 to the right side. So k is equal to 3. Question number 12. Check if x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of rectangle whose area is x square minus 2x minus 8 by using factor theorem. Now considering x plus 2 and x minus 2 as sides.
Hey, wait பண்ணுப்பா. Auto focus. Polar பண்ணுங்க.
ஒரு 5 நிமிஷம் வந்து.
சரி போங்க.
ஓகேவா?
Okay.
Question number 12. Check if x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of the rectangle whose area is x square minus 2x minus 8 by using factor theorem. So x plus 2 when x plus side of a rectangle okay, then p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8 okay, x square, so x plus 2 when it goes to the other side it becomes minus 2. In the place of x apply minus 2 square minus 2 x, so minus 2 minus 8. So minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus 4 minus 8. Okay, plus 8 minus 8. So therefore p of minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, then when the other side x minus 1 is a x minus 4 is a factor, so take p of minus 4 when it goes to the other side it becomes plus 4 is equal to polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8, so x square, so 4 square minus 2, so in the place of x apply 4 minus 8, so 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 minus 8, same sign, add minus 8 minus 16. Okay, so p of 4 is equal to plus 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So now we are asked to check whether x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of the rectangle whose area is x square minus 2x minus 8 by using factor theorem. By this, so both p of minus 2 and p of 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the sides x plus 2 and x plus 4 are the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, and now students, we have come to the end of this